Welcome back to WNY Living. Now, I'm pretty sure no one in life has a goal of gaining unwanted weight. And as most of us know, bad habits can easily lead to weight gains over time, which can also lead to health issues as well. And you're about to find out about different types of fat and how it affects the body in different ways. We're happy to have with us this morning from the WNY Weight Loss Center, our good friend Donna Herberger. Good morning, Donna.
Good morning, Kevin.
All right, there's fat, but there's types of fat.
Yes, there's two types, visceral fat and subcutaneous fat.
All right, tell me the differences.
Okay, visceral fat, you can't pinch it. It's inside, wrapped around our organs, and it's dangerous if it's high. We want that number 12 or less. It is linked to things like high blood pressure, increased risk of heart attack, stroke, type 2 diabetes, dementia, gallbladder disease, gout, and even certain cancers. So we can measure that at the Ideal U. We want that number 12 or less. The only way to get rid of that is with proper diet, and exercise will help too. Subcutaneous fat is the inch you can pinch, the love handles, the muffin top, what you can see and pinch. That provides some insulation to help keep us warm. Too much of that obviously is not a good thing either. So you don't want too much inside visceral fat or the outside subcutaneous fat.
And these are things you can measure as folks are going along with the program too, right?
Yes. On our program, you're going to lose fat, not you, lose fat, preserve muscle. You want to preserve that muscle. Muscle is the engine that burns the calories.
All right, that's why the protein-based protocol, right? To keep that muscle going.
Preserves the muscle, right.
All right, we have some success stories we want to share with viewers, and we're going to start with Carol here.
Carol from Clarence lost 35.2 pounds in 20 weeks, averaging a little over 2 3/4 pounds a week. And I love the profile because you can really see head to toe. Then she went into maintenance and she actually lost another 8.2 pounds. She is now down 43.4 pounds. Got a beautiful makeover at Capello Salon.
Well, congratulations, Carol. Now let's take a look at Jessica next up.
Jessica, she went to our West Seneca location and she lost 59.2 pounds, over 30% of her body weight.
Well, congratulations. Yeah.
Look at that cross section. I love it.
Over 2 pounds a week there. Some folks are probably looking and say, all right, well, how would I stay on it? What's the accountability? How does the Ideal Weight Loss Center help with the accountability?
You come in once a week, meet with the coach. It's always private one-on-one for a 15-minute appointment. We're very efficient, and we want people to journal. We review the journal, get them on our body composition analyzer scale that measures the overall weight, the fat, the muscle, the hydration. And they buy their food and they're on their way. I
know a lot of your coaches too have been through the program, but
yes.
I want to ask you about this time of year. You got a challenge for the month of December, right?
We do. So December is a tough month for a lot of people. So it's a 6-week challenge. It starts December 1st, goes for 6 weeks, and it ends the week of January 12th. We have 2 categories, men and women, so they aren't competing against each other. 2 winners. Whatever man wins, he gets $500 of our food for free and $500 to a local charity of his choice, and the same for the woman.
All right, they can win something and give back to our community,
yes.
and help themselves out to get rid of that visceral fat.
Right.
Whatever your weight loss goals are, the WNY Weight Loss Center can help you successfully reach your goals and keep that weight off. They're your healthy, rapid weight loss center. They have 3 locations in our area. To find out more about their weight loss program, head to their website at idealu.com, and you can register for one of their upcoming open houses, either virtual or in person, you see on the screen.